How to make billions quickly in Grow a Garden on Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about making billions quickly in Grow a Garden on Roblox. So first, you need to focus on high value crops and mutations. So grow crops that can mutate into gold, rainbow, or chilled versions. These are worth much more. You can also try using the good sprinklers, such as Godly or Master, to increase the mutation chances and growth speed. Use pets like polar bears or pandas to boost mutation chances and harvest rewards. Also plant in large quantities many crops to increase your chances of getting rare gold or rainbow mutations, and replant the seeds from the gold or rainbow plants to grow even more valuable crops. Also complete the quest and events. Do angry plant quest and seasonal events for extra money, rare seeds, and pets. These rewards will help you progress faster. Also invest in gear. Buy sprinklers and tools from the gear shop to speed up growth and increase crop value. A harvest tool helps you collect crops faster. You can also optimize your garden. Place the crops close to sprinklers and pits for the best effects, and use a garden space efficiently to keep harvesting and planting. Also trade rare seeds and pets with other players for money or items that you need, and look for the good deals or offer valuable mutations. And be patient and consistent. Farm every day and upgrade your gear and pet. As you get richer, invest in better seeds, gear, and pets to grow even faster. Also watch for weather changes like frost or lightning to get special mutations, and don't water crops during frost if you want chilled mutations. And check the gear shop often for new and powerful items. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.